Automatic Translation LivoTranslate. To use automatic translation, log in to your profile. Then, go to the LivoTranslate tab and click the Add button. Attach the file you want to translate. Select the source language and the target language. You can also choose the document specialization. If MT engines and translation memory are used, the system will automatically match appropriate resources based on the selected specialization. After completing the steps above, click the Translate button. The system will upload the file, and after a while, you will be able to download the completed translation. By refreshing the page, you will see both the source file and the automatically translated target file, which you can download. You can also use the machine translation editing feature. To go to the editor, click the Prepare LivoCAT editing button and then edit. Now you can proceed to verify the translation. The text is divided into 2 columns and segments. On the left, you will find the source text, and on the right, the target text. In the central part of the screen, there are segment statuses indicating the origin of the highlighted fragment. Hovering over a segment status will show whether it is machine translation or if the fragment comes from translation memory. Saving and updating memory after each translation means that with subsequent similar translations, fragments from the translation memory will be automatically matched to the translation, as shown in the example. Words highlighted in green in the source text come from a glossary, which also connects to the automatic translation. Blue markers in the text are tags responsible for document formatting after being generated from LivoTranslate. The editor offers several additional tools that facilitate verification and editing. You can adjust the appearance to your preferences by changing the text size or the appearance of tags. The Find and Replace function allows you to search for specific words in the source or target text and easily replace them. You can filter text segments according to various criteria. For example, by selecting the Spell Check function, only those segments that contain this type of error will be displayed. The system can also suggest alternative expressions, which appear in messages marked with an orange triangle. After making changes and confirming the segment, the error message disappears. Now you can clear the filters. LivoTranslator has a plugin that evaluates machine translation. You can set how segments are displayed based on the machine translation quality score. Specify the minimum and maximum score value to analyze the segments considered the best. In the LivoTranslator editor, you can share work with others. A useful feature for this is the Tracking Mode function, which makes every modification visible to others. You can accept or reject it using dedicated buttons. If you need to leave a note for someone else, you can add a comment. If your text contains repetitions, the auto-propagation function is available, which automatically fills in segments based on the first translated sentence. If you make a change in a recurring segment and approve it, the change will be applied to all other instances of that segment due to auto-propagation. You can approve segments using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Enter or the button that confirms all segments at once. After approving all segments, click the Save and Export Translations button to generate the document. Then, update the translation memory, which will allow you to reuse the content in future translations of similar documents.